Greeting everyone and welcome to TheCell. I'm Avery Vesper. As usual, we are covering the latest developments across the world. Next, we connect the main implications, the market reaction, and the broader picture for viewers in context this evening. Join us as we explore Lifespan Magazine's launch that aims to unite our global longevity community for education. At Longevity Summit 2025, a media narrative panel discussed how longevity science is portrayed and translated to public policy, moderated by Chris Patil and featuring Zara Stone, Keith Comito, and Gary J. Allen. One concrete consequence is a reinforced drive for evidence-based science communication, including journalist-scientist collaborations and templates to separate peer-reviewed results from hype, funding narratives from data, and clearer policy takeaways. In the show's frame, the panel's focus signals a future where translational rigor and evidence-based storytelling shape policy, with cross-species data, AI-enabled development, and value-based access for health systems, insurers, and regulators. Transitioning from discussions on public policy influenced by longevity science, experts highlight its complex narratives at significant events. As this discussion evolves, Dr. Daria Unutmaz shares compelling insights on how AI could reshape aging treatments significantly. Dr. Daria Unutmaz discusses AI could add decades to lifespan in a Found My Fitness episode, outlining how AI could transform aging therapy. AI-enabled drug discovery and trial design could shorten timelines, reduce costs, and accelerate development of aging-focused interventions, while regulators issue guiding principles and risk-based frameworks to support safe, accelerated implementation and reshaping biotech investment and global health strategies. This signals a shift toward faster AI-assisted drug development, but real-world evidence, cybersecurity, and data governance remain essential before widespread clinical use, affecting patients and researchers as new therapies emerge. As we reflect on how AI innovations could significantly extend human lifespans, it's important to transition our focus now. Lifespan Magazine is launching, enriching the longevity discussion and delineating its mission to separate scientific insights from medical advice. Lifespan announces the launch of Lifespan Magazine and a global longevity community, expanding its industry and educational initiatives and reinforcing the separation of scientific content from medical practice guidance. This expansion broadens educational outreach and community involvement around longevity, aligning with ongoing efforts to advance translational work and safe AI-enabled research, while signaling broader ecosystem activity and discourse. The move strengthens the longevity information landscape, feeding public discourse and governance conversations, while the ecosystem intensifies around safety, ethics, and digital twin concepts in AI-enabled longevity biology research. As Lifespan Magazine debuts on the global stage, understanding its impact on the longevity community becomes increasingly crucial. Shifting to our next segment, emerging research highlights how LDL-P metrics redefine cardiovascular risk assessments and their significance. New evidence shows cardiovascular risk assessment now includes lipoprotein particle metrics beyond LDL-C, such as LDL-P, SD-LDL-C, and LB-LDL-C, with patterns of discordance guiding interpretation. Consequence: LDL-P and ApoB improve ASCVD risk prediction across diverse populations, and 2026 guidelines endorse ApoB-based risk assessment with LDL-P consideration. Show implication: this shift changes risk quantification by highlighting residual risk when LDL-C misclassifies patients. It stresses ApoB, LDL-P, and subfractions in prevention, while universal Lp(a) testing remains recommended and diverse data remain essential. This concludes our coverage for today. We thank you for being with us and following the latest development of our stories. We invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fishstock Network, and to follow us on X at Fishstock Media to join our community. From all of us at TheCell, thank you for being with us today, and we'll see you next time.